Morning, everyone. Namaskar. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. Sat Sri Akal. Welcome. So again, here with new topic. I have discussed with many people, and thanks for the appreciation. And I got one feedback, like many people are not aware about that HTML and another web frameworks, other things. So generally, you know that what is the purpose of these applications? It's about JavaScript, HTML, and desktop, web, C Sharp, VB.NET, and HTML, Python, Node, and everything is there along with the geospatial technology. So in the geospatial technology, if I am going to start any development and all these things, that last video just what it was just sample one for the JavaScript, but many people say that they are not aware about the JavaScript. So I have to not only my videos should be dedicated for those people who are in the already in the development and already in the GIS. No, I have to start with the very basic one. So today, going to start it's a basic HTML. I think the HTML content, if you go through that, before that I wanted to make some HTML, some small code, other things. I thought something okay because many components are really easy components are available on the internet. So that's why. So today, let's start with the HTML, basic one, and I will teach you. Don't need to write, to go with many codes. Other thing, there are a lot of the example are available on the YouTube and internet and another sources. So easily you can learn. And I'm going to here to demonstrate HTML, how to HTML, what the basics and all these things in the coding side, the programming. So let's start. Thank you very much. Huh? Chaliye. Thank you. So, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. First of all, if you want to start any application, तो first हम उसको write करते हैं. Let's go with this. So what we'll learn today. Before start HTML, install software for code, HTML, configure HTML, run HTML page. Okay, and basics. So सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे? What we are going to start these things before start any coding. Definitely HTML is required. So this is, I can say that before start, just nothing. You just go through that Visual Studio Code. This one, this link you have to need to click here. Okay, you can note down code.visual studio. However, I'm going to uh, add this detail in description box also. Okay, so I took that down. And another one is called the Notepad. So there are n number of development tools are there. That is for the IDE. Okay, so you can start HTML code with a simple Notepad also. You can Visual Studio also, and you can go with the Notepad++. But generally, we prefer the Visual Studio Code because this Visual Studio Code not only for the HTML. In future, you want to make some backend application Node, JavaScript, Node.js, and you want to play with Angular, you want to play with React, you want to play with these are the web frameworks. Okay, these are the what I'm telling the web framework, and Node isn't for the backend. Okay, so even C Sharp, it's a Visual Studio is very light component, which is completely free. So, and someone, mostly some system will have asking for the admin privilege. No need to worry about that. There is a Jeep component also there. So let's go with the Visual Studio. There is a Visual Studio. This is the Linux and this is the Mac. Okay. So ये Windows है, Windows operating system. ये वाला, this one. Okay. This is the Linux. Okay. This is completely free. Okay. And Mac, that is Apple company. There is three things there. User installer, system installer means if you click here, then after then they will ask for a download like an exe file. Let's go these things. If nothing, just here you can see that here it's application, means you have to download and after then you can run the applications here. Let's wait for this one. So you can see that, okay. Okay, so you can see that this one, it's very clear. You have to, but okay, I have already, so I'm not going to install this again. Okay, so I delete it. Dusra wala, let's go these things, another one. There is a zip file. If you click here, there is a zip component will come here. Then again, so zip folder nothing. I am also using the zip folder also because we don't want to go with installations other things. So just zip folder and you can see let me about these applications. Okay. So there is a software. Which is a setup. Okay, to wait for this one. Simply, I have to take this one. This problem with my mouse. Just wait. Yes, properties. That's it. You can see the find of this one. So